So guys, this is the final product for the moment, because I need to address this shifter cable. Comes from this. I'll either remove it entirely or shorten it in order to make a shorter bypass there. So I know you can't see much of the headlight because it's daylight and it's real sunny outside, but this is it. The red light on the back is way more visible by the naked eye, even in daylight. So this is it, guys. I hope you liked the video. There's not much to do about anything. It's properly made, let's say it like that. Just I need to locate this somewhere, maybe make a bracket and put it here. That won't be a problem, I believe. Yeah, so that's that. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to my channel. It's an ongoing project, this channel. I don't have enough time to post as much as I would like to, because some projects just need to be made fast, and I don't have the time to stay and film everything. As this was, I only showed you some steps. I didn't go very thoroughly through the project with you. But hopefully you like what you see. Hopefully it will be an inspiration for some of you, Super 73s and others like this. There's a lot of models that look like this one, and you could do the same thing. So just with some plastic from a tub, with some let me just show you what I used. It's not the exact thing, but I used something like this from Mirrors, the beauty caps or something like that. I'll show you on another car, because this one is oval shaped. Well, something sort of like this, but maybe another shape, because this one has this, I don't know, this could be used to do that also. Two of those, a left and a right side, and put together, and it would come out somewhat like what I've done. So you get the drill, you get the idea. This is the setup I'm rocking right now. Shades. If you see this nose protector, I had to come up with it from the same sticky thing that I used on the lower side of the tank of the. I put that not for beauty per se, but for not making a mess of my seat, because underneath the edge of this is kind of rough. Can't really file it down enough. Okay, so again, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, giving me a thumbs up for the project, and go and watch my other projects. Some of them finished, some of them not finished yet. And yeah, see you in the next one. I'm just gonna go and ride this just a little bit. Maybe I can film, I don't know, I don't think so. It's really twitchy, really powerful, and one wrong move of the wrist and I might go flying. So yeah, goodbye, have a beautiful day.